A rainy day like today is a good excuse to organize some things at home. Denise Wild is going to give us inspiration this morning. Good morning, Denise.
Hi, Nat. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Let's start off in the laundry room, my favorite room.
Yes. Okay. Is it really? Okay. You've got some quirks, Annette, and I love learning about them every time we talk. Okay, so the laundry room has probably been in the back of your mind, one of those things to tackle, but you've never gotten to it. Let's finally do it. Pull everything out. That's the first step you're going to do. Sort through everything, toss those items that you never use, and then you're going to get in there and clean all of that grime, all the mess, maybe the spilled detergent. I use the Scotch Brite Scrub Dots non-scratch scrub sponges, which are amazing in the kitchen, of course, because even egg and cheese won't stick to the scrub dots, but they go beyond the kitchen's tough messes. They won't scratch surfaces. They scrub fast and they rinse clean. Once you've got everything out, you've cleaned, you're going to put things back in and organize them using bins, using hooks. This is going to save you so much time every week when you go to do your laundry and everything is where it needs to be and nothing is in the way.
And I like in that B-roll how quickly you did it and that you were wearing a dress.
So fast. Yeah, it only takes 30 seconds.
Okay, now we're going to move on to the pantry.
Okay, let's do the same thing in the pantry, or you're gonna tidy everything out, get rid of those expired foods, things you're never going to eat, and then organize everything in bins with labels. So that is super key to help the entire family know where things are. Even make a label for something for easy meals. I love these Cloverleaf Bistro Bowls. They're a healthy, complete protein meal that you can eat on a quick break or on the go. They don't need to be refrigerated. They've got no preservatives, and they come in 3 flavors, including Spanish medley. So definitely stock these. When everything is just in its own place, it makes it easier for grocery shopping, makes it easier for the entire family to find everything. And then, you've got your easy meals on the go.
Right, and to not buy more than you need, right? When you realize, that's what I always get. You get home from groceries, It's like, oh, I've already have that. Why did I buy it again? Yeah. We're going to talk about ingredients for dinner.
Right. So, coming up with new meals every night can be challenging. So what I suggest to save time is to cook individual ingredients that can then translate into multiple meals throughout the week. So you can, let's start with turkey, smoked chicken and vegetables. You can smoke those on a Traeger pellet grill. It's basically set it and forget it. It's easy, super convenient. The flavor is extraordinary. And then from your phone, you can monitor and even control the grill using the Traeger app. So once you have that chicken and veg, of course, you can eat them the day of, but then they can translate into paninis, pasta, soup or stew, and then you've got a bunch of meals that your ingredients are all ready, and then it's just about mixing them together in different creative ways.
Right. Our last-ditch effort is always salad. So take whatever little chicken is left and throw it in a salad, right, to extend that. You're going to make an easy dough. Okay, I'm very interested in this dough.
Yes. Okay, you are going to love this. So this is another thing you can do once a week. It'll last throughout the week when you turn it into different meals. I have a dough recipe. It's only 2 ingredients. It is self-rising flour and Greek yogurt on a 1-to-1 ratio. So I also make it using my KitchenAid stand mixer, which is a massive time saver. And it's just one of those kitchen tools that has endless possibilities, lets me get creative, and then lets me make to stand out. It also has a new bread bowl attachment and can mix up to 9 dozen cookies at once. So you take that dough, you can turn it into pizza, into cinnamon buns, into dinner rolls, even bake it for crackers with olive oil and some herbs on top. So a really easy solution.
Okay, and another really easy thing is you're going to make your own frozen yogurt rolls.
Yes, frozen yogurt too. So this is a great hack for lunches. This is going to save time. You're going to take some yogurt, freeze it with fresh fruit, and then you can pop those into your kids' lunches the next morning when they're frozen. I used just reusable tubes that, they'll just act as ice packs. They'll be the perfect temperature by the time lunch comes. I just used Greek yogurt and added California strawberries, which are in peak season right now. And of course, incorporating strawberries lets you extend that feeling of summer. They're an excellent source of vitamin C. And you can find tips and recipes at californiastrawberries.com. So you have, delicious yogurt snacks for your kids to eat in lunch, and it helps to keep the lunch cool.
Great ideas. as always, thank you. And you do it fast and you do it so stylishly. We'll put up the link on our website, chch.com.